आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. The question states, in the figure, if D is parallel to E, what is the value of Y? So we have two lines T and E which are parallel to each other, and we have been asked to find out the value of Y. Now, we are going to solve this particular question in the simplest possible way. So in order to solve this question, we need to keep in mind just two concepts. So the first concept is sum of angles, right? Sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees, right? And the second thing that we need to keep in mind is sum of angles to the same side of line, the same side of any line is once again 180 degree. So what I mean by this is that if there is a line, this complete angle across this is 180 degrees. So if there is a point, the total angle is 180 degree. Now no matter if I draw a line, so it forms angle 1 over here and angle 2. Still their sum remains to be as 180 degrees. So angle total sum on one side is 180 degree. That is what the concept is. So let us solve this question using these two concepts, right? Now let us call this angle as x. So this is x degrees. But this is a triangle and we know that sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees from concept 1. So I can say, and this is 90 degrees, this means 90 degrees. So I can say 180 degrees is equals to 90 degrees plus 58 degrees, so these two angles, and x degrees, right? Now this is 180 degrees is equals to 90 plus 58, that is 148 degrees plus x degrees, right? If I subtract 148 from both the sides, right? So I am subtracting 148 from both the sides, so I get x degrees is equals to, so 148 is subtracted, so this gets cancelled over here, so I'm writing x degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 148 degrees. So this is nothing but equal to, this is equals to 32 degrees, right? Now if x is 32 degrees, but from second concept, sum of angles to the same side of any line is 180 degrees, so x plus y should also be equals to 180 degrees. So if I use this concept over here, I can say x degrees plus y degrees is equals to 180 degrees, right? And x is 32, so 32 degrees plus y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. And if I subtract 32 from both the sides, I'm going to get y degree as 180 degree minus 32 degrees, because this 32 gets cancelled here because I'm subtracting by 32, or I'm adding minus 32. So if I do minus 32, this 32 gets cancelled out, and 180 degree minus 32, what is remains on the other side, and this is nothing but 148 degrees. So our answer to this particular question, which is the value of y, as 148 degrees, which is our answer, right? Now there could be many methods to solve this particular question. Now over here itself, we could have obtained the value of y. So we had to find y, and here itself we could have found out the value of y if we could have used another concept. So what is that concept? Let me tell you. So in any triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of other two angles, right? So here I could have said that this y is the exterior angle for this particular angle, x degrees. Now this gets a bit tricky to understand, but if this is x degrees and if I draw any of these sides, right, and the angle such formed is the exterior angle for this side, and this is the sum of the other two interior angles, that is in case of a triangle, right? So I could have easily said that y is equals to sum of the interior angles, which is 58 degrees plus 90 degrees, which is equals to 148 degrees. So either way I'm getting the answer is 148 degrees. Either for the entire triangle I find this x and then I just use the second concept, which is the sum of angle on one side of a line is 180 degree and subtract the value of x from it. Or I simply use that the exterior angle is sum of the other two interior angles and obtain the value of y as 148 degrees. So in both the cases I'm obtaining the same answer, which is 148 degrees. So you can use whichever method which suits you the best to solve this particular question. So this is the shortcut method, right? This is the shortcut method. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।